Hey guys, it's me, Ursula. Today we're talking hair, living our best hair life. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. I'm doing a hair review on the Revlon one. I bought this at Clicks, it was on special. Salon long lasting curls and waves. The reason why I bought this one and that I want to try out is because it has same dimension all the way around. That will give you a different curl. Very important step to never forget: heat protection spray. I'm using Evo. So it all depends on the size of the curl that you want and the amount of hair that you actually take. Bring in the wand from above, tightly turn it around. Don't burn your hands. I would rather suggest using a glove if you have one. Hold the curl in your hands like this and then you let it down. So that's the trick. Do you want to see it again? Hold. Slowly drop. Ah, look at that bounce. I like it already. Another trick is that when you turn your hair around the wand, it tends to twist and go all twirly like that. So you want to keep a flat hair. Keep the hair flat as you turn it. What I'm really loving about this wand already is the clip. And it's comfortable to use. Like, it works really well in your hand. Curls are looking good. The girl from the ring. Look at those curls! And it's obviously gonna still drop and it's gonna look really natural and awesome. So there we go for big wavy curls. The Revlon Rose Gold Ironing Wand does quite a good job. It's given me the big curls just like I wanted. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you got a few tips and tricks for your hair. Please subscribe to my channel for more ways to living your best life. I hope you have a good hair day.